Good morning from Oklahoma City, and it happened again. So the last video when we got here, it was Monday. Can you guess what day it is today? We're finally leaving the house.
I mean, it's only what, Friday?
It's Friday.
It's been a week. It's been another week.
So tell them what happened.
Well, as soon as my parents and Thomas and Beverly left Branson that night, started getting a tickle in my throat. Woke up, I was coughing, I was sneezing, I was having all kinds of fun. So I thought, okay, it was just a little cold and windy last night, or on the boat when we went to our little showboat. And I proceeded to give it to every single one of you, including Kaden. So we've spent a week being sick, except y'all got the advanced version, and y'all got to have fever with it. I don't think I maybe had fever one night, but not as bad as them. They were down for a day each.
I told her that if she decided to go adventuring with this, she's a superhero. Because when we got here Monday night, that was Kayla's worst day, was the drive here.
Yeah.
She was getting better on Tuesday. When I went to bed Monday night, I didn't leave the room until Wednesday morning. 36 hours.
Yeah, he was in the bed the whole time, and Kevin doesn't really get down like that. He doesn't go down for a full day. He might take a few hours here and there, but it knocked him on his back.
Yeah, we'll call it. It knocked on my back. Yeah. So anyway, we've been RVing for 3 weeks now, and I'm gonna say 10 or 12 days of the 21 days we've been doing this,
we have been full on sick.
We've just been incubating stuff inside here.
I think what happened was we were at my parents' for too long, like for 2.5 months. Like, me and the girls didn't really leave much. Kaden didn't leave. So when we finally got to leave, we just took on all the illness.
I want you to know, I never got sick until I got you and the kids.
Yes, this is true. You were.
Is that true for all dads out there? Were you a relatively sick-free person until little beings came into your life? I never got sick, and now I get sick all the time.
See, and I always get sick. I get sick in the summer one time and once in the winter. Every time the season changes, I'm bound to get sick. So it's nothing new to me, but this whole virus thing, that's all new. I don't like all that, but
I never got sick until I had little humans walking around me all the time.
Yep, they will do it to you. So I'm excited.
We've been in Oklahoma City for, I don't know, we've been in this camper that's parked in Oklahoma City for like 5 days now.
Yeah.
We only have 2 more days here, and we might as well go see what the city's all about.
Yes.
So we're finally breaking out of the camper, and we're going to do something fun with the kids that's indoors right down the road.
Let's see how long they last.
We actually don't have a big plan for today.
No, we don't.
But we're going to take you along for the whole adventure and do as much as we can in one day. Maybe 2. We don't want to push it, because last time we pushed it, we got sick again.
If they're feeling well by the end of today, then we may go out again tomorrow. But if not, we're just going to rest, get ready for our travel day, take it easy.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm gonna be 5 years old after Christmas.
Do you even know what we're gonna do?
I like this. I'm so excited.
Man, that's all it takes. She doesn't even know what we're doing yet. We haven't even told them what we're doing yet. We're going to the Science Museum in Oklahoma, which is kind of like the one we went to in Kansas City, called Union Station. It looks awesome. It's mostly for kids, but it was actually a lot of fun for adults. Even Alicia had fun, even though she thought it was gonna be boring in history.
What, the one at Union Station?
Yeah.
I know, I got to ride a bicycle on a tightrope.
She got to learn, you know, she got to learn about gravity, is what she really did. She didn't realize she was learning, but it was about gravity, not riding a bicycle on a tightrope. You want me to go in there? Let's go in there.
I was like, what's Curiosity?
What, you want to go to Curio City?
Curio City, what's Curio City? It's Curiosity.
She's already learning.
Oh. Tell me a story. Uh-oh, someone's getting eaten. The bird is not playing nice. Hey, zebra. Hey, chicken. Hey, cluck, cluck. Oh. What you doing? Show me your skateboarder skills. Woo! Here we go.
Watch out.
Whoa.
Y'all can have that one.
Y'all share it. Y'all try to roll it back and forth to each other.
I'm really mad.
I'm doing magic. Well, it is kind of magic. It's actually something we had to learn about in the oil field. That guy's name right there. Look at Alicia learning. Yeah, you probably learned this in high school and college. You just didn't pay attention.
Definitely didn't learn it in college.
What's wrong with this room? Whoa!
That's kind of locked in there.
Woo!
Oh my gosh, you found a friend. Ashlyn is doing what Daddy does. The round wheel? Let's watch your hands, Kayla. Let's try a square.
And now we should try triangle next.
Oh, okay. Watch your hands. Watch your hands, Kayla. Oh, no good. Square.
No way the
no
square
way
wheels.
square's gonna work. Watch your hands. Whoa, the square went the farthest. Got 2 thumbs up from Kayla. To work for this one. Go, go, go. Who's next? Here comes Kayla. Hey, Kayla. Peekaboo. Go, Ashlyn. Are you tired yet?
So, did you have a good visit in Curio City?
I did. It was fun.
Ashley, is that your table? Nom, nom, nom. What's in this room? Airplanes? Airplanes and trains. Baby Caden, you're sleeping through all the good stuff. This is where it's at. Airplanes and trains. Look who's missing out.
I know.
Maybe that's not his jam.
Sleeping is more his style. Where are you going, girls?
You flying, Ashlyn?
Yeah.
Where are you going to?
Going to the house.
You're going to the house?
I'm going to the Ivy.
So I just asked Ashlyn when she was flying the plane where she was going. She
Yeah.
goes, I'm flying to the house. She just told you she wants to go home because her legs are so
Her
tired.
legs are tired.
But just like literally 5 minutes ago in Curio City, you couldn't hold them down.
Couldn't, yeah, that playground. I think it whooped them.
I think this is Hot Wheels for adults.
Right? Okay, come stand up here.
From the top. Oh, no, 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 no. No, we always go to the right. Never to the left. Even if it is a Kelly. A nader?
Ready? You can. Ready? Set, go. Oh.
Really? That's what you get for trying to cheat. Hey, did y'all have fun at the Science Center?
Yeah.
Was it really fun?
Yeah.
Was it? Did y'all learn so much? Y'all did. I think they just really enjoyed the Curio City.
Mommy, can I have some chicken and fruit?
Oh yeah,
and
chicken and
fruit.
fruit. So if you've never been to one of those places, it's not just for kids, it's
It
for
really
adults.
isn't. I mean, we have just as much fun as them, I feel like, every time we go to one of these.
We've only been to one other one in Kansas City, and I
Yeah.
think no matter where you are, you should check them out. They're always cool and they're always fun, and it's cold out, so it's a good way to spend a day inside. So we're at an orange store that I actually do like because we're in Oklahoma City.
He loves, he doesn't like.
Because we're in Oklahoma City and this is where he's from, we're going to Kosmo Q's.
Oh man.
If you have no idea what that is, get learned up. We'll put something in the link below for sure.
Yes.
I may not film, I'm afraid, because he also has a YouTube channel. He's much bigger than us. And he might actually talk to me and I have to respond to him.
This is not a sponsored video in any way, unfortunately. We wish we had a discount code to give you. Cosmos, come find us. We're actually here.
We're here. We're outside. Just come outside.
We can set the code up now.
So is he shooting all the stuff he does now at his house?
Yes.
For the podcast thing?
The podcast is upstairs. I'll take you straight
Okay.
back to. So there's that. I'm sure you recognize the backdrop here.
Yeah, I remember seeing all this stuff on,
So-
he used to cook out there.
Yep. Right out there by that dumpster, unfortunately.
Yeah, it was cool though. It worked.
Yeah, exactly. Just wasn't pretty by any means.
See, I never would have thought this was here. I was convinced this is what he built by his house that he was showing. You know what I mean? That little side little thing he did.
Yeah, no. Yeah. Yep. No, we have all this up here.
Welcome to the podcast.
There you go.
I'm not Cosmo, but I'm the next best thing from Texas.
I love it, man.
That was super cool.
So guess what?
What?
So Cosmo was not here. We just missed him. He just finished filming a podcast a few hours ago. He said if we were here 2 hours earlier, we could have met the man.
Aww.
But Matt, thank you so much. You gave me a tour and let me film the warehouse, the new set for future videos, and I got to see the podcast room. And he let me sit in Cosmo's chair and talk in the mic.
Uh-oh.
Sorry, Cosmo. You know where to find me. We left our info. Anyway, we appreciate it, and we really love some Cosmo's Q.
Yes, and I'm excited for the new things we got so we can start cooking up some good things. I think you're past your smoked rib incident, so we can start cooking on the grill again. And it was really cool. I peeked my head inside for just a bit. It's a really neat setup in there. I mean, for what it is, it's got lots of space. I didn't even know it had an upstairs until he said he was going to take you back there. So I'm sad I missed it, but I'll get to watch it with you guys.
Now we have to go out and somewhere good to eat in Oklahoma City because we're starving. All right, so we're in Oklahoma City. Some of y'all may give us a hard time about this because it's not pure barbecue, but nothing's more American than Toby Keith.
Right?
And nothing's more Oklahoma City than Toby Keith.
I am excited. I've never been to one of these. Have you eaten here before?
No, but he's from here, so we got to go check it out. This has got to be the original
so
one.
for those of you who don't know, it's called Toby Keith's I Love This Bar, and that's a song he sang, right?
Yeah.
I thought so. See, I know my country history.
I knew there was a reason why we like Toby.
Oh, cool.
You sitting on the truck?
Is that fun? All right.
We're just eating at Toby's bar, which is
Yes.
the most American thing in this state.
Right?
And now we're exploring Bricktown,
It's so cool here.
which is also pretty American.
Yeah. Look, we got pup, or buffalo, or bison.
What are
We
they
got,
called?
I say buffalo. What do you guys say? Christmas lights. We're gonna
get a
take a little
water
boat
taxi?
ride.
And we're in Bricktown, which is old Oklahoma City. Welcome back, and it is actually... Oh yeah? So in case you couldn't tell, we're not actually on a boat in downtown Oklahoma City. It actually started raining and we had to bail out, run back to the truck, and now we're in the RV and we're doing some things. So first, we were making cookies because that's what these three little guys bought, because we do the elf on the shelf.
Can you tell them their names?
Hey, what are the elf's names?
No, what's his name?
What's his names?
Jingle,
Jingle,
Bell,
Bell.
and Frosty. Frosty's our new one.
So Jingle, Bell, Frosty.
Yes.
Jingle, Bell, Frosty. Also, we're making these cookies because the elves left them here because they were
elves
good.
Brought them.
But we have another big announcement, and it's thanks to you guys. All you guys right here. So you're wondering, why does this happy birthday cake say 20K? Well, that's because 20,000 of y'all decided to subscribe to us. The girls actually don't even know what it means. They just know there's cake involved.
I told them it was because of Paving New Paths and all the people who watch our videos. We're so thankful for you all.
So, we're celebrating with y'all. There's not enough pieces for all of y'all. But we're going to eat this cake right here because 20,000 y'all decide y'all wanted to be friends with us.
It's overwhelming, to say the least. Did you ever think it would grow to 20,000 when we posted our first video?
I literally thought we'd never get 1,000.
I know, I really thought we might get monetized, but probably like 5,000, that was going to be it. So thank you to each and every one of you. We hope to continue growing this number and making it even bigger for 2023. We're going to sing happy birthday, or we're going to say congratulations?
Happy birthday,
Let's say-
Langley.
There we go.
Happy
So say congratulations to you. Congratulations to you. Congratulations, Paving New Paths. Congratulations to you. Can you blow it out? Woo! Good job.
Once again, thanks to all y'all for making this possible. Not only has our journey been cool, documenting all of our travels with our family, it's led us to many people that send us emails and comments and stories about their life. So we want to congratulate Michelle Barber on her retirement. I know we're about 2 or 3 weeks behind when you retired, but congratulations on your retirement, and hopefully you get out there and pave your own path. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. We love you, and we'll see you next time.